Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to make money on TikTok. If you want to make money on TikTok with viral videos, this is extremely hard and involves a lot of work. So let's talk about alternative way to make money. This method is very simple. Just create your TikTok account about something you enjoy, for example, photography. Your videos can be a simple slideshows with music and beautiful photos. They even don't have to be your photos, just something you got legal right to use. Post a few videos every day, for example, for 2, 3, 4 months, and then connect through business email to brands connected to photography. Present them with at least 2 different methods you can advertise their product. Offer them a small flat rate for advertisement, for example, $500 or even $1,000 a month. When your TikTok account grows, you can even ask for more money. Remember, TikTok is strictly country based, so if you live in America or something, this is a good way to make money. But if you live in Bulgaria, for example, your videos will be seen mainly by Bulgarians, and Bulgarian brands will not pay you so much money to advertise them. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel.